Business Head of Object DR, Jewelry Training Institute. Very good afternoon, Sarika.
Good afternoon.
You have won such a prestigious award today. How are you feeling about it?
I'm feeling very happy and very honored today. Like it's really like it's a pleasure getting the award from Shashi Tharoor, Dr. Shashi Tharoor.
Is jewelry your passion hai?
Yes, definitely it is, and it has been like actually I've been into this industry since more than 10 years. But though this institute is recent, like around 2 years old, but I've been into the jewelry export since more than 10 years. So it's been my passion, and
You are Sarika. Sarika, what do you have to say about jewelry training in India? Do you think there are enough institutes for it?
no, frankly speaking, there are not too many institutes, and like it's really like sad to know that like India's got a lot of creativity and talent, as we all know, but due to some reason they are not enough trained professionals in our industry, and that is the reason why we actually started this institute. Like for our export like business, when we were requiring people like trained professionals for our export business, we were like having a dearth of professionals, and we thought like might as well start something. I mean, through which we can educate more people and like make them like more like well versed with the subject and everything, along with like just having their talent. It wasn't sufficient for them.
So, Sarika, what are your future plans now?
Future plans, like it's simple, like I consider like diamonds when they are like in a raw form and uncut, they're not so expensive, and they're not so price. Okay, so, but once they're cut and polished, they give us a lot of returns, and they are considered more price. So I mean, I feel like our students can be like cut and polished, and like in the similar manner in which like diamonds are cut and polished.
That was great coming from you. What is your success mantra here, Sarika?
Success mantra would be like just
How do you define your success?
basically see it's sincerity, it's hard work, it's support from every like from your family, husband, like from students, faculties. It's like it's a teamwork basically what I believe in. So I mean I think hard work and sincerity counts at the end. That's it.
That's great coming from you. I must say that you're wearing nice pair of jewelry here. Wish we could focus here now. So that's all, Sarika, business head. You're the business head or you're the CEO of the company?
Basically the proprietors of the company.
You are the proprietor. So what made you start this jewelry line? I mean, if you go back like 10 years ago.
10 years back, like basically I had a passion for jewelry. I always liked like picking up stuff and wearing, and like it was kind of like you feel every woman feel good about picking up jewelry. So I thought might as well like when I was thinking of a career, I was like little confused what to do. So then I thought jewelry could be ideal, because like every woman has a knack for jewelry, and especially in India.
I can see that right now you are based in Kolkata. So do you have any plans to open your institute in Delhi?
Yes, definitely. We are like, in fact, we are speaking to somebody like in Bangalore and in Delhi for franchise.
Thank you very much for speaking to us, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.